First, grab some bakeable polymer clay and begin rolling it out. You can use a rolling pin, but I decided to use a glass I had lying around. I started with rolling out smaller bits of the clay and added more until I had the amount that I needed. To combine, press down and squish together the clay to make sure there are no cracks. After the white has been rolled out, grab some colored polymer clay. Begin cutting little bits of each color. Then add it to the rolled out white clay. After that, roll the colors into the white. After you're happy with your ratio, grab a can. Wash and remove the label. Then flip it over and take a hammer and nails to poke holes into the bottom. After that, flip the rolled out clay over and begin molding it onto the can. Slicing and pinching when necessary. Once it's molded to the can, place it on a lined cookie sheet. Bake it at 275 degrees for 15 minutes. Let it cool to set and you have a fun faux planter. I love how this adorable planter brightens up any space. Add faux or real plants, it's such a fun accent to any shelf or table. Then I sliced more colors and added them to the white and rolled them out. Then I grabbed a loaf pan and flipped it over, adding foil. I sliced my clay to size, pinched the ends, and baked it upside down on the bottom of the pan at 275 degrees for 15 minutes. Then I let it cool to set. Add some tea lights for a fun accent. Or some jewelry for a jewelry dish. As you can see, the colors, shapes, and possibilities are endless. I hope this inspires you to try this fun terrazzo technique on something for your home. See you in my next video! Hey YouTube! Thanks for watching! To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe, and to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.